Hello everyone, welcome to Analytic Study Point. আজি আমি Social Science Class 9 Economics Part Chapter 2 Basic Economic Problem. সেই চেপ্টাৰৰ give very long answer 1 পৰা 4 লৈকে আনিছোঁ। তো ভিডিঅ'টো ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰাৰ আগতে মই সকলোকে ক'ব বিচাৰিছোঁ যে চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিব। Question number 1. Discuss the main causes for the problem of rapid growth of population in India. A developing country faces many problems like political, economical, population, etc. India, being a developing nation, also faces similar issue. The rate of growth of population in India is highest and has highest population in the world. There are many reasons for the increase in the rate of population. Number 1. High birth rate. It is found that in rural areas, especially children are considered as a source of income. Thus, the rural people are in favor of having more children, which can increase their source of income. Number 2. Illiteracy. The lack of education and social awareness is a very important reason for increasing in population. Uneducated people are not aware of harmful effect of having a greater number of children. Poor parents are unable to provide proper education, health, facility to their children. 3. Lack of family planning. In most of the rural area and urban slum area, there is no knowledge of family planning. The people who live in this area live below poverty line, and a great number of children are an ascent to them as they can send their children to earn money for the household. They do not know the harmful effects of overpopulation and lack of education, also make them avoid family planning measures. Number 4. Early marriage. The custom of giving away girls in marriage in our rural areas are very crucial reason for increasing rate of population. Marriage is a very important and sacred ritual in our country, and girls are married in very early age, which result in longer child bearing age, leading to increase in population. 5. Low death rate. Advancement in the field of medical science and eradicated many diseases, and various medicine and medical facilities have increased the longevity of many Indians. This has also increased the population. Number 2. What is poverty? Explain how the poverty line determines poverty. The burning issue of many developing countries is poverty. Defined economists have given many definitions of poverty. Poverty is a situation where a person is unable to acquire the basic necessities like food, medicine, clothing, and education for himself and family. According to the World Bank, poverty has many aspects and factors like low income, inability to acquire basic requirement, poor health, poor sanitation facility, and no access to pure drinking water are most important. The poverty line of a nation form a minimum point and divide the population of the country into categories like poor and non-poor. The most widely accepted definition of poverty line is based on calorie, which was proposed by the Planning Commission of India. The calorie consumption is 2100 in urban area and 2400 in rural areas. All people who are below this category are defined as poor. The monthly per capita expenditure is rupees 1430 in rural areas and rupees 2630 in urban areas based on the price of the commodity. Question number 3. What is inflation? Discuss the main method of controlling inflation. Inflation is a state of rise in price from the original range of price is known as inflation. Inflation can be a continuous process and cause decline in the value of money. The government take into account many measures to control inflation, which are as follow. 1. Monetary measure. The government take up various monetary measures like bank rate. The rate at which the central bank give loan to the commercial bank is known as bank rate. In a inflation take place, the bank rate is increased as the commercial bank also increase the market rate of interest on loans, and as a result the people do not take up any loan, which cause decline in the circulation of money. 2. Fiscal measures. Fiscal measures is also known as income and expenditure method. If there is decrease in governmental expenditure, then there is decrease in the total demand in the country. This lead to control the inflation. The government levies defined tax to revert the disposable income of its citizen, which again help to control the inflation. The government also take loan from the public to control inflation. 3. Increase in production. By increasing the production by proper utilization of resources, the demand of various commodity can be met and the price of this basic item can also be controlled and thereby controlling the inflation. Question number 4. What is unemployment? What are its defined type? Mention the main causes of this problem. In simple term, unemployment means lack of work. Those people who do not get any opportunity to work are termed as unemployed. But in economic, only those people are termed as unemployed who have the ability and desire to work but do not get any opportunity to do so. If a person has the ability to work but does not have the desire to do so at the prevailing rate of wages, then the person cannot be termed as unemployed. Unemployed is generally of two types: rural unemployment and urban unemployment. Rural unemployment has two categories: seasonal unemployment and disguised unemployment. 1. Seasonal unemployment. The seasonal unemployment are unemployment during a season. They are open for the rest of the year. For example, people involved in agricultural activity are seasonal unemployment. 2. Disguised unemployment. Disguised unemployment can be defined as a situation in which the individual appears to be unemployed, but he does not add to the productivity. This situation is also referred to as hidden unemployment. For example, if a job can be carried out by two people and if five people are employed for the same, then the extra three people are said to be disguised unemployed. Urban unemployment is also of two types: industrial unemployment and educated unemployment. People who do not find employment in the industries are known as industrial unemployment. On the other hand, people who do not find job opportunity despite having the required education qualification are known as the educated unemployed. There are many causes of unemployment. The following causes are worth mentioning. 1. High rate of population growth. The high rate of growth of population is adding to problem of unemployment. The unemployment problem has taken an alarming form as the rate of growth of unemployment opportunity have not been able to keep pace with the rate of increase in population. 2. Jobless growth. The gap between the rate of growth of national income and the rate of employment is increasing. Such a situation is called jobless growth. This leads to the increase in the problem of unemployment. Number 3. Stagnant agricultural development. For a predominantly agricultural country like India, the rate of growth of agriculture is not up to expectations. As a result, unemployment occur among the people engaged in agriculture. 4. Slow rate of industrialization. Industrialization unemployment occur as the rate of industrialization is not up to expectations. Past number. Faulty education system. Educational unemployment is assuming alarming proportions as the prevailing educational system has been unable to make the population fit for employment. The lack of vocational and technical education has made the population unfit for self employment. তো বাকি কোয়েশ্চেন্সবোৰ নেক্সট ভিডিঅ'ত লৈ আনিম। ধন্যবাদ।